Well, welcome to planning for 2020 sales year. Today we're going to look at the user data hierarchy template and how we can update it. Here on the landing page on the left side, you can see all the information and links that you'll need. This will be shared on our Jam site. The link to it will be on all the emails going out about it, so you should be able to get to this landing page fairly easily. It'll show you a little bit about a short version of the instructions, as well as a link to get to a more detailed instructions, and here they are. On here, you can see that we're going to be using the 18-digit user ID to populate everything. Everything's going to be based on that, so we're not just going to use their names. We want to be able to use that 18-digit. That way, their official Salesforce name can be populated. That makes updating everything much easier. The way we updated the sheet, and everything's pre-populated for you, is that we use that 18-digit user ID to pull in from Salesforce their full name, and then their region, manager, and title acronym. Based on the region, we reference the owner data hierarchy, which you should have already filled out, and that will populate their business unit, market, division, and team. So if those things are all working right, your data should be set up properly as you come in here, and you can just go through and verify. But to make updates, you can just overwrite the information that's in here. Everything in Smartsheet pretty much works like Excel, so even if you have to do a lot of your early work in Excel and cut and paste into Smartsheet, that's pretty easy to do. But Smartsheet's easy enough to work in that you can just work it on everything here. You have your own planning sheet. For example, I'm showing off, we have Tyler's right here, so you can see all the SMB client success people. And you can update all the information right in here. So what you're going to do is go through and just going to make sure 18-digit user ID, full name, here's their unit, and so on. Make sure all that's right. Just like in last year, as you scroll over, we have the territory check, revenue group check, and title acronym check fields going, and these will tell you if they're seeing an issue. If everything's right, you can just click off here, approved by analyst, and that'll let us know that you're done. Same in Salesforce, same as in Excel, you can just mass populate everything here. Click off one of them, drag the bottom, and it'll populate everything through. So you don't have to worry about just going click, click, click through. You can do it a little bit quicker than that. The reason we want you to update those is once all those are checked off, we've built in an automation that'll alert your manager that you're done with your user data. The manager will then have an email that they can go through and approve your work. That'll lock everything in, make it nice and clean. Or if they see a mistake or something undone, they can email you back and ask for an update. We're building a lot of this automation in this year to make sure that there's checks and balances and a clear workflow going through everything. So Tyler's not done with those yet. We're going to uncheck those. And everything's very easy to work with. As I said before, if you're more comfortable working in Excel, it's fairly simple. Just go to File, Export, and you export this information right to Excel. And then you can update it by copying and pasting over these data. We're not going to do a keep and change and new like in the owner hierarchy. We're just going to use this information as is. So if you're more comfortable working that way, that's okay with us. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My information is on the landing page. And if not, I hope everything goes well with you.